Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to set up the Novak Emulator for my Jeep TJ. A little while ago, I did a video on how to wire it, how to do the pull-up resistor, and now we're going to confirm that hopefully everything's going to work out as it should. First thing I need to do is pull the cover off, expose the pins. Now, according to the instructions from Novak, we got to take that jumper from the bottom and put it on the top because that's the setup. Then, of course, once you're done, you set it back to the bottom, and that is the run position. However, this is not as simple as it seems. So this is where some of you may have some issues. Once you verified that the red light's on and the green light's flashing, you start turning it till you start seeing a Tach reading. Now, I would move it half of a turn, count to 5, and then move another half turn, count to 5, because I find that it's very finicky. You'll either get it, but you don't. But the problem doesn't stop here. Even once I get the Tach set and the gauges work, there's still going to be some issues. And this is where I'm wondering if anybody else who's done this has experienced the same issues. So now let's kind of go over that. So I'm pretty close right there, 550. Bounce around to 550. Turn the lights on. You can see all the gauges are working now. Now, I started off, everything should work. Or maybe not. It was just working. It's now pissing around again. I got it set up to work. Gauges are working. Rev it up. For whatever reason, when I turn it off, I go to restart it. There you have it. Won't work. So as of right now, I'm just throwing it out there. If anybody else has had similar issues with the Novak Tach emulator where you get it set up, you get it set to the RPM, turn your vehicle off, you go to restart it, it doesn't work. I'm totally baffled by this, so I'm going to leave this video where it is. See if anybody else has had that issue, and if you had a fix for it, post it below. I'd gladly like to know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.